Alright, matapos tayong yaligin ang Emblem of Zion, of course, let's have our cake blowing ba to? Tawag, traditional. For since we're celebrating first year anniversary of Dugong Pinoy, may we call on Mr. Charles to lead us for our cake blowing. Together with the Dugong Pinoy admins, may we call on everyone to please come forward. Mr. Chris Panganiban, Miss Celia, Charles, and Mike. And Mr. Robert Rabusa. Everyone, together with the Dugong Pinoy group members, can we ask all the Dugong Pinoys, everybody here, for one big group shot? Big na ha, group pa. Tara, let's have a picture taking. Lahat po ng Dugong Pinoy, pwede bang imbitahan dito sa harap? Come on! Extreme! M2CD, Beats and Bites. Chassis! Tara! Charge! Lahat po ng nandito ngayong gabi, inimbitahan po namin kayong lahat to please come here on stage for one group shot. Balitang Q, CDC, Western Union, come on everybody! Para ma-slice na natin ito at makain natin. Hindi yan sisindihan lang, no? Para sa ating lahat yan. Sir June Sakay. Video challenge participants. All the band groups, Emblem of Zion, Mr. Diva Grand Finalist, Power Horse Representative, TFC, Sir Angel of Fahrenheit Band, Mr. Eton, come on! Gusto ko nang kainin yung cake. Courtesy of Music House, thank you so much! Happy birthday, kakanta talaga? Wala namang balloon? Oh, sige, game. Sabi lang. O yung mahilig yung mag-blow. Ay, talaga naman. Congratulations Dugong Pinoy. Happy first anniversary. And to all our Dugong Pinoy group and members at mga bagong members, lahat ng dumating tonight, maraming salamat po. So pwede na natin hatiin yung cake. One more shot. Yung mga mommies, so. Live streaming po tayo, Balitang Q. Hello po sa mga taga-Pilipinas, especially sa San Juan. Taga-San Juan po ako. Si Kuya Pitts daw. Alright, happy anniversary. Thank you so much. Hatiin na natin to at pagsaluhan. Alright, later on, ilalagay po natin yan doon. You can get your slices or bite slices. This cake is for everybody. And of course, hindi pa tapos ang ating program. Dahil later on, we will celebrate the Bits and Bites 4th year anniversary, so please stand by. But before that, magpasalamat muna tayo sa ating mga sponsors. Alright, we'd like to thank Western Union, CDC Holdings, Bits and Bites Production, happy anniversary also, Simply Pinoy Magazine, Render Farm Production. We have Doha Trendsetters to Miss Annie, thank you so much. Filipino Community Center, Miss Becky, Power Horse and Ali Cafe, Doha Events Factory, Balitang Q, live streaming po tayo. Team Creation, Trifle Ideas. Thank you also to Mylens, Taho and Buko Pandan. We have Crazy Cakes, Chloe's Cakes, available po lahat yan sa ating bar. We have Royal Glutathione, Amira's Pride, Doha Grill, Amwatch Restaurants, Thrifty Thread, mamimigay po sila later for a raffle, and Proud Loyalty Statement Shirts, and also to our major supporters, PSN, Mr. Chris, and the TFC, the Filipino Channel, and to Mr. Delphine Montenegro. And of course, we'd like to thank our DJ, Music Sound System, DJ Robert. Thank you so much.